This is the woods where I walk. This is the avenue that leads down to the creek. This is the rest of the woods. These are the condos. So when I walk down this hill, and then I would, if I could, keep walking straight down to the creek, and then make a figure 8, and come out here, and there's a park bench that I sometimes sit in, but it's usually over there. And then I would go down the avenue again and make another figure 8 and come back here, or keep going through the harbor and look at the boats. So yeah, it's a yucky mess.